The development of the concept of zero was very important to mathematics. It not only allowed us to develop the number system that we use today, but also allows us to solve many problems. Let's investigate the concepts associated with zero. As I work on the computer, follow along with me on your tray. Set your tray up just like I have set up mine. Your teacher will pause the movie as you set up your tray. We can easily see that when we have no positive numbers and no negative numbers, we have nothing or zero. When we set up the tray, what we see represents zero. Now I'm going to add one positive and add one negative. As we saw earlier, 1 and negative 1 are opposites. When we add a positive 1 and a negative 1 together, they cancel each other out, just like the ball representing the positive 1 fills the hole that represents the negative 1, leaving us with 0. The same is true if we add a positive 2 and a negative 2. Just like with the positive 1 and negative 1, when we add positive 2 and negative 2 together, they cancel each other out, leaving us with 0. It is easy to see from this that if we add the same number of positives and negatives, we will always get 0. In each of these examples, we started with 0 and added the same number of positives and negatives. What would happen if we started with a number other than 0 and added the same number of positives and negatives? This time we're going to start with positive 3. Let's add 2 positives and 2 negatives to the positive 3. Since adding positive 2 and negative 2 is the same as adding 0, this is just like adding positive 3 and 0. When we add the numbers together, we get positive 3, which is what we started with. Positive 3 plus 0 equals positive 3.